Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix your red flashing light Dyson. And in front of me here I have my Dyson V10, but don't worry, all the Dysons are very much the same when it comes to red flashing lights. So in this video you guys actually going to see me replacing my Dyson battery. So just make sure if you have like a V6 or V8 to get the V6 battery or the V8 battery. Other than that, the process is very much the same. So what happened is, one day I was vacuuming and I had a full battery charge on this Dyson, and as usual I like to vacuum until my battery dies, and that is exactly what happened. My battery ran out, so I went to plug it in and it's not charging. All it's giving me those red flashing light. So at first I thought it's a charger issue, because like I said, it was just working and now I can't get it to charge, and if I press the trigger button it's giving me those same red blinking light. So I thought, because it doesn't have any charge in it, maybe that's why it's doing that and I can't get it to charge. So at first, to be totally honest, what I did, I put it off to the side. I have a lot of stuff to do that day, so I picked up my Dyson V8 and I continued on with my chores. And to be totally honest, I put it off to the side for way too long, for weeks, until now. I was like, let's just figure out what's happening with this Dyson. I really want to fix it because I really rely on it. I have the V8 and the V10, and most of the time I need both of them because I have 2 stories house. Sometimes I need one for downstairs, one for upstairs if I'm vacuuming all the house at once. So anyway, it was just time to figure out what's happening with this Dyson. So right now I am on Dr. Google trying to diagnose my Dyson, to come to learn that it's actually a battery issue. And the way to know is the flashing pulses. You really have to count how many they are. Anything above 12, it's a battery issue. But if you're only getting like 2 or 3 pulses, it's probably your filters, your Dyson filters just need some cleaning. So I was actually really happy and excited to learn that you can change the battery on this Dyson. I have the Bissell Crosswave cordless mop and vacuum, and I don't think the battery is replaceable on that one. I kind of remember researching that before and it is not. So I was really happy because this is an expensive tool. You guys know that it's not cheap. So if the battery fails, you really don't want to spend that amount of money on a brand new vacuum when you can just replace the battery. So now I am on Amazon trying to shop for a good deal for this battery, and I found a lot of aftermarket brands selling the same battery for way more affordable price. Dyson wants $130 for this battery. If you still have your warranty, you're in a good shape. You can get it for free. Just call Dyson. But if your warranty had expired like mine, you're gonna have to just buy it on your own. So I'm finding that you can actually get a decent one between $50 to $85 if you want to get the extra filter. Even if your filter is still good, now you can have 2 on hand. It's still cheaper than buying Dyson original battery. So I was so tempted to buy one, especially the reviews. People love it. Some reviews I read, they said it is more powerful, they last longer. I think why, because this Dyson came with the 2.6 amp hour battery, and even the replacement one, it is the same 2.6 amp hour. But you can find an aftermarket one with a bigger capacity like 3.5, 4.0, or even 5.0 amp hour, and that what gives you the longer runtime. And sure, who doesn't want a longer lasting cordless vacuum cleaner? I know I want one. So I was so tempted to buy it, but I wanted to check eBay just to see how much they're going on eBay for. And sure enough, I actually found Dyson original battery for $65, half the price. It was just calling my name. I hate to miss on a good deal like this, so I just bought it. But like I said, I was so tempted to buy the other one. But if you go that route and you buy yourself an aftermarket one, just make sure you read all the reviews and get yourself a good quality one. But right now, we're going to move on to the process. So let's open the new battery right now. Here we have our instruction, and it came also with 3 screws, even though we don't need them because we have the original screws on the old battery. The process is actually very simple and easy. All we need is the Phillips head screwdriver, and we have 3 screws to remove, that's all. And you obviously need your new battery. And now I'm going to put the new battery on. Alright guys, so blue lights are definitely a good sign, but please make sure to allow it to get fully charged before you use it. I know how tempted it is to just turn it on, but it is a brand new battery and that is what they recommend. Now I cheated a little bit. Yesterday I let mine charge up, so we don't have to wait for that today. I'm just going to attach it to my stick right now, and we're gonna go to the living room area where we have carpet so we can test it. Alright guys, so with that we complete this video. I'm really happy that I finally got my Dyson fixed. I can't believe I went this long without it. It definitely feels really good to have it back. It feels like I just got a brand new Dyson again, and like you guys saw, the process was very simple and easy. Now I'm thinking I wish Dyson made it more easier too. Like I wish it has like interchangeable batteries so we can just slide one in and out whenever we need to. Like my husband, a power tool, he has like 10 of them and they all run on the same battery. So I wish Dyson would do that, but other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!